I'm back again with another video. I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, irrespective of your location. So right here, Mytier KYC has started since like 4 days now. Before now, the KYC was scheduled on the 14th of April of May. You understand? It was May they actually mentioned, but right now there was some little issue, so they rescheduled it to today's May, and it started in May. It's not May something 8th or no May 5th, something like that. That's when they started around 6 o'clock. So that's when they started. So I'm here to walk you step by step on how to complete your KYC in case you are having some little issue as regards to the KYC. You understand? And also there was a update from the team. So many people during the KYC, during the restriction of the Mytier, so you were asked to put your May age. So many people ignore that and they put honorary age, like some put below 90 and 18 years. And now some people are finding it very difficult to actually do their KYC due to that system, due to the error they make when they were doing the restriction. So right now I'll walk you step by step on how to do your KYC, and also on how to avert that age issue. You understand? So if you want to do your KYC, all you need to do, there is a link you will actually need for you to proceed on the KYC. So if you go to their Telegram group, so let's go to the Telegram group. So right here is the Telegram group for the Mytier project. So right now, this was an update that was made by them just right now as I'm making the video. So as regards to iOS updates, as regards to the KYC, so people having iPhones and all the rest. So there is an update for them right now. So you can quickly go and update your iPhone on the iPhone store to actually kickstart your KYC on the Mytier. So there is it. So this is the link. So this is the link you actually need. So this is the update as regards to the KYC camera issue. So many people are having on the process of processing the KYC. So these are the criteria of things you actually follow to do the KYC. So right here is the link. So this is the link. So this is where you can start the KYC. So you can actually see it through the mobile app. So this is where you actually see it. You can just quickly click on this link, then it will take you directly to the web versions. So on the web version, that's where you can start the KYC. So right now, so these are the things you see. So it's a important notice, we have added a mutual capture button to the KYC process. Please check the following before proceeding. Lowercase letters, only the input field is intentionally set to accept lowercase letter only. Then to the ID expiry date. If your ID does not have an expiry date, you may enter any date and continue. So age requirements, users register as under 19 during Mytier sign up cannot proceed with the KYC. So these are the challenges so many people are facing right now on the process of the KYC. So, and also if you have an ID that does not have an expiry date, just quickly to choose any other date you actually like, then and proceed. So you can see these are the camera issues that so many people were finding very difficult to do before the update. So right now, if you click on the link now, it will take you directly to the web version for you to proceed on the KYC. So let's quickly redirect us to the web versions. So right here is the interface of where you can start the KYC. So all you need to do, before now, when you register, you have a nickname and a password, you understand, and also a valid email. So but right here they are requesting you to log in with your nickname and your password. So like me right now, I'll just click on it. So if you click on it right here, all right, let me just input the name and the password. So let me just log in. So this is where you actually say, so just choose you are above 19 years, so then you kick start. So don't say you are under 19. So that's where so many people were having issues. So this is the interface, the dashboard of the KYC. So we have step 1, step 2, step 3 to step 4. Step 1, which is the basic info. Then step 2 have to do with your documents, submitting of your ID. Then step 3 have to do with your selfie, with your face verification. Then your ID captures. ID capture have to do your step 3. Then step 4 have to do with your selfie video. So this is what you see. Start KYC. So you say allowed. Then got a permission. So right now, so this is the first step. So after you click on the camera section, if you have it on the camera section, I will show you at the end of the video. So right now, this is the first step. Enter your basic information, then proceed with the date of birth and all the recs. So that is what you're going to do right now. Please make sure you enter the correct name you have in your ID and your date of birth to avoid the issues. So right now you can see it. So my date of birth, then your address. So you choose everything. Then the next you will choose your ID type. So you choose your ID type. Then you go on with you proceed. So just click on next step. So right now, so this is step 2. So this is step 2. So all you need to do is just for you to select your ID. So select your ID. So you put your ID number, just input it. In case you have NIN and all the rest. So even though the NIN did not show, just input the ID number you have. Just input it. So in the case of the expiry date, just choose any date. So just choose any date. That's you choose any date. So that's what you are going to choose. You can just screw it. Just screw forward and choose any date of your choice. So just choose any date, it will work. So select your country. So just select the country, Nigeria. So I'm Nigeria, so I'm using Nigeria for this case. So you go to the next step. So you can see right now. So I'm on the step 3. So the step 3, they will show you everything. If in case you are missing anything out, then you can quickly correct them. So this is step 3. So what you're going to do right now is just going to snap the front of your ID, then you snap the back of the ID, then you proceed to the step 4, which is taking of the selfie. So you can see it right now. So I've taken the front and the back ID of mine. So all you need to do now is just click on next. Click on next. So right now is the step 4. So the step 4 have to do with your selfie liveness video. So you have to do your own personal selfie video. So that's why I'll proceed right now. So let's go on. So after the selfie video, then all you need to do right now is just submit the KYC. So you click on submit. So after the selfie video, so you click on submit. So the selfie actually takes time, but just keep on doing it. Only will step by step. So you click on submit. for you to complete the camera sections, if you're having issue with the camera, just come here quickly. Depends on your browser. Go to the settings of your browser, which is the 3 dots. Click on it. So I'm using a Mizo browser. So just scroll down, go to the settings. You can see the settings right here. So this is the settings. So click on the settings. Then scroll, go to accessibility. No, go to site settings. You can see the site settings right here. You can see it. So click on it. So look at the camera, click on the camera, then click on approve. So just allow the Mytier website, which is the site of the Mytier. Allow it. Then once you allow it, then the camera will open. So the camera will just open. So that's how to go about it. So thank you. So if you find this video helpful, or if you have any challenge, please quickly leave it on the comment section. I will do it to help you and to respond to all your issues you will drop on the comment section. So KYC status result guided. So completed KYC verification approved. Your KYC submission is being reviewed. Your KYC submission was rejected. So I was rejected. Say please try your KYC submission. So I will resubmit it again. So this is how you are going to complete the process. So if you like this video, do it to like this video and give it a thumbs up. So maybe I'm having some little issues. That's the reason. The reason for the rejection. So just keep on to complete everything in a way and make everything clear. So thank you. Peace out.